The battle that broke out in Karnataka 11 months ago over whether hijabs can be worn to school has ended for now in a legal stalemate. The Supreme Court bench that was heading a batch of petitions against a Karnataka High Court order banning the hijab split down the middle. The religious belief cannot be carried to a secular school maintained out of state funds. Constitutional goal of fraternity would be defeated if the students are permitted to carry their apparent religious symbols with them to the classroom. Students have no right to be in the school in violation of the mandate of the uniform prescribed under the statute and the rules. Secularism is applicable to all citizens, therefore permitting one religious community to wear the religious symbols would be antithesis to secularism. Justice Dhulia, by asking the girls to take off their hijab before they enter the school gates, is first an invasion on their privacy, then it is an attack on their dignity, and then ultimately it is a denial to them of secular education. The question this court would put before itself is also whether we are making the life of a girl child any better by denying her education merely because she wears a hijab. Under a constitutional scheme, wearing a hijab should be simply a matter of choice. It may or may not be a matter of essential religious practice, but it is still a matter of conscience, belief and expression. Amongst many facets of our constitution, one is trust. Our constitution is also a document of trust. It is the trust the minorities have reposed upon the majority. On the ground in Karnataka, as the police kept vigil, the day went off peacefully. The petitioners who fought against the ban were disappointed but hopeful.
हमें भरोसा है कि डेफिनेटली ये संविधान के आशय के हिसाब से ही आने वाला लार्जर बेंच हो, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया हो, वो ये देगा, क्या जस्टिस हमें देगा। और इसमें यहाँ की लड़कियाँ, हर एक लड़की वो हिंदू हो मुस्लिम हो, वो अपने कल्चर के हिसाब से वो एजुकेशन पालेगी और आगे बढ़ेगी।
The BJP government, which was in favor of a ban, said the ban will continue till the final verdict.
As a democratic government, we welcome whatever the judgment we have received today from the Supreme Court. But we had expected a better judgment because, as you know that, throughout the world, women are demanding not to wear hijab, not to wear burqa.
With split verdict by a division bench and the presiding judge Justice Hemant Gupta retiring on Sunday, the case will now be placed before Chief Justice of India to be heard afresh by a 3-judge bench. With Srija from Bangalore and camera person Sanjay Kaushik, this is Arvind Gunasekar for NDTV.